What's up, guys? It's your friend Lawton. Today we're going to be talking about how we can prove that triangles are congruent. All right, so we got two triangles in front of us. We got, or I guess two sets of triangles. We got G, F, and I with G, I, and H, and we got O, N, P with N, P, Q. And so there's lots of different ways that we can, like, just looking at it, we can tell they're congruent because we have eyes. But we gotta find a way to prove it because that's how math works. So there's lots of different like acronyms we can use to remember things like SSS or SAS. Like those mean side, angle, side, and stuff. And so we gotta remember which one of those we can use to prove that these are congruent. So looking at this one, these little lines mean that these two sides are congruent. So we know that there's a side. These two little curves mean that the angles are congruent. So we got a side and an angle. And so we need something else. We could have an angle, but it's not in line. But one thing that's easy to see is that they both share the side. So that side is congruent for both of these two separate triangles. So we can look and see we have side, angle, like side, angle, and side. So this would be congruent because of SAS. Now this one, it's pretty similar. We can see that these two sides are congruent, these two sides are congruent, and they both share a side, so you know that that has to be congruent for both the triangles. So looking at this, we can see that these two triangles are congruent because of the thing side, 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 or SSS.
Hey, it's your friend Emma, and I'm going to be showing you how to see if these triangles are congruent through a trick called ASA. So here we can see like these lines mean that they're congruent, so like the same. And then so we can see here that these two angles mean that, and then these two angles are the same also. So since they're all in a line, so like this angle, so it's A, and then we have the side, so it's S, and then those angles, so A. So they're congruent.